All the time I go to racetracks and I hear the same question, and sometimes I'm the guy asking the question, what is the parking lot like? Are there handicap spots? Is there a good place to park my camper if it's level? We're here with Vado Speedway Park General Manager Chris Steppen. Chris, you have answers to all that, and really behind us, it tells the story. I don't know that I've ever seen a parking lot at a dirt track this flat, this level, and with gravel on it. Talk about the layout that you have here.
Yeah, there's tons of parking here. If you see over our shoulders, a giant parking lot for campers, for patrons, for whoever wants to come. We've got handicap spots over here. We've got some other concrete spots over here as well. You will not find a parking spot here that's level here. They're very, very nice parking. Dean, our facilities guy, takes major pride in this. He blades the parking lot weekly to make sure it stays flat and level. And yeah, when you want to camp, you're exactly right. You want to make sure you're level. We'll have a level spot for you for sure.
And again, to go back to the handicap spot, sometimes I go to racetracks and there's one sign that's kind of leaning over that marks one handicap spot. Looks like you guys got over a dozen out there. It's all paved. And again, the cool thing about this racetrack, the way it's built down in a hole. If you need handicap accessible scenarios, this is your racetrack, because you come in and you have a flat roll, whether you go to the concession stand, the restrooms, or you go to the handicap area to watch the races. You guys have really gone out of your way to make sure everybody can have the best possible experience when they come here.
Yeah, we get lots of phone calls from people who are in wheelchairs or have tough time walking or whatever, and ask. You know, if you look online, it says row 16 is where the top row is, which it is, but that's also the top row of our concourse. So you're exactly right. You roll in the gate if you're in a wheelchair, or you walk in the gate and you walk right up to the top row, which is 16, and then our seats go down, so it's very handicap accessible.
So again, whether you're looking to camp here, whether you're looking for a good place to make sure to park your car, or if you have concerns about handicap accessibility, they've got it all here. Make plans to join us here at Vado Speedway Park.